Welcome today. We are jumping into the exciting world of cloud engineering. Ever wondered how companies like Netflix, Google, and Amazon keep things running so smoothly? No matter how many of us are streaming movies or searching the web? Well, that's where cloud engineers come in. They are the brilliant minds designing, maintaining, and securing the digital backbone of these systems. So, in this video, we will explore what it takes to become a cloud engineer, dive into the skills you will need, and show you how to get started in this demanding field. So, ready to embark on your journey and mastering the cloud? Let's get going. Understanding the cloud engineer role and responsibilities. So, what does a cloud engineer actually do? In simple terms, cloud engineers are like the architects of this digital world. They design, manage, and optimize cloud based systems to make sure everything is secure, scalable, and up and running. Let's break down some of these key roles of cloud engineering. Designing cloud architecture. So, imagine you're building a digital home. Your main job as a cloud engineer is a designing a strong structure or architecture for everything fits together, whether it's a handling data, running applications, managing user traffic. You will be building an infrastructure that supports it all. Another big responsibility is making sure everything runs smoothly and stays cost effective. It's all about balancing power and efficiency, ensuring systems don't overuse resources, which can cost big bucks. Cloud platforms make it easy to scale up and down, and you will to know these tools very well. Ensuring security, and of course security is a huge. As a cloud engineer, you will set up firewalls, managing access, and ensuring data is locked down tight. Cybersecurity breaches are no joke, so putting strong security measures in place is a crucial. Cloud engineers are essential to modern businesses. As more companies move to the cloud, experts are needed to make those transitions smooth and secure and efficient. And if you love to solve problems and working with the tech, this could be perfect fit for you. Operating systems, especially Linux. Next is operating systems, especially Linux cloud systems run on Linux for a reason. It's a stable and secure and very customizable. Even basic Linux skills go on a long way in a cloud space. If you are new, download a Linux virtual machine or explore cloud-based Linux server. Practice basics like navigating files, editing, setting permissions. Learn in bootcamp.com and the hubofknowledge.com. Both offer great tutorials, so go check them out and you will find a lot of resources there. Virtualization cloud platforms use virtualization, which is like splitting one physical server into several virtual ones. Knowing how virtualization works helps you understand how resources are allocated. Get familiar with the concepts like virtual machines, containers, and hypervisors. These are fundamental in a cloud infrastructure. Try creating a virtual machine using a software like a VirtualBox. Play around with it and spin a few virtual machines, and even check out containerization with the tools like a Docker. So security fundamentals. Last but not least, security basics. Cloud engineers need to understand cybersecurity principles to protect data and applications. This includes firewalls, permissions, and encryptions. Look for beginner courses on firewalls, encryption, and access control. Even a basic understanding of a security principles will take you far in the cloud engineering. Mastering these IT fundamentals will make your journey into cloud skills so much. The next point is choosing your cloud platform. Once you have got the basics down, it's time to choose your cloud platform. The top three are Amazon Web Services, AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform, GCP. Let's check each one out. AWS. AWS is a super popular, used by many companies by all sizes. It has a range of services and is known for its scalability. And the next one is Microsoft Azure. Azure is a big in industries like healthcare, finance, and government with a strong integration with the Microsoft products. It's especially common in the large companies. Google Cloud, the GCP. GCP strong in data in machine learning. If you're interested in a data science or AI, this could be great pick. Tips for choosing your platform is check job listing to see which platform is in demand in your area. Explore each platform's free tier to see which one feels right for you. Consider starting with the beginner certifications like AWS Cloud Practitioner, Azure Fundamentals, or Google Associate Cloud Engineer. Starting with the one platform is enough to get job ready. You can always learn more later. So, next point is certification to fast your track your career. Certifications can help you stand out and improve your skills. Here are some top certifications for cloud engineers, all of which you can learn and pursue with the guidance from learningbootcamp.com. For more information on certifications and training, feel free to email us at inquiries@learningbootcamp.com. And we're going to start with the AWS Certified Solutions Architect or Associate. Ideal for those who are focused on AWS, this certification covers architecture, security, and essential services to help you design scalable and reliable systems. And the next one is Microsoft Certified Azure Fundamentals and Azure Administrator Associate. Begin with the Azure Fundamentals, then advance to the Administrator level for more in-depth understanding of Azure's core functionality. GCP is designed for those interested in a Google Cloud platform. This certification covers GCP's core services, storage, and networking. It's perfect for those who are interested in a data management or machine learning. So, we can provide you some preparation tips. So, leverage free resources from AWS, Microsoft, and Google for foundational learning. Focus on hands-on labs, practice exams, tutorials available on sites like learningbootcamp.com, Udemy, Coursera, or especially learningbootcamp.com, which provides tailored resources for cloud certifications. Certifications not only enhance your technical skills, but also boost your professional credibility. Begin with one and continue building your expertise as you gain experience. For dedicated support and resources, learningbootcamp.com is here to guide your certification journey. Building practical skills with the projects. Now that you have chosen your cloud platform and gotten certified, it's a time to build some practical skills. Certifications are great for foundational knowledge, but real-world projects are what make you job ready. In this chapter, we will discuss the types of projects that can showcase your skills and help you stand out to employers. The first project that you can try is deploying a website. Start with something basic, like deploying a static website on the cloud. These projects cover essential cloud skills like setting up a server, configuring DNS, and managing file storage. So you will learn about services like S3 on AWS, blob storage and Azure, or cloud storage on GCP. Project second, you can try setting up CI/CD pipeline. Next, try setting up a CI/CD continuous integration, continuous deployment pipeline. CI/CD is an essential cloud skill that involves automating code deployment. Many companies need cloud engineers who can streamline this process. And the third project that you can try, building a scalable database system. Another key project is setting up a scalable database. Choose a database service like Amazon RDS, Azure SQL database, or Google Cloud SQL, and learn how to configure scaling and backups. This type of project demonstrates that you understand data management and critical skill for cloud engineering. Next point is gaining hands-on experience through internship and freelancing. once you have the skills and some project experience, it's time to gain real world experience. Working in a real cloud environment is invaluable and will help you build confidence. And internships and freelance work are two of the best ways to get hands-on experience in a cloud engineering. Here's how to get started. So, applying for internships, start by looking for internships with the companies that use cloud technology. Internships are a great way to work on real world projects while having a support from experienced team members. Look for roles that involves hands-on tasks like setting up a cloud resources, managing environments, or building automation scripts. And freelancing on cloud projects. If internships aren't available, freelancing is a fantastic way to get experience. Many small businesses need help setting up or managing cloud services but don't have full-time cloud engineers. So freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and freelancer.com have a cloud related gigs that range from setting up servers to troubleshooting infrastructure. So, and you also have to be building a portfolio. So document your work by building on a portfolio that showcase your projects, certifications, and a client feedback. So your portfolio is often what makes the first impression or a potential employers and clients. So make it professional and highlight any specific achievements. Internships and freelancing gives you a foot in the door, allowing you to apply your skills in the real world situation. This experience makes you much more competitive when it comes time to apply for full-time cloud engineering roles. This will be helping you a lot. Preparing for cloud engineering job. This is the next point. Now that you have the skills, projects, and some hands-on experience, it's a time for the final step. Preparing for the job interviews. Cloud engineering interviews often include technical questions, hands-on tasks, and behavioral questions. Here's a breakdown of how to prepare for each part. Start by reviewing key technical concepts, especially those related to the platform you choose, whether it's AWS, Azure, or GCP. Focus on the topics like cloud architecture, networking, storage, and security, as these are commonly covered in these interviews. So many companies want to know that you can design and manage cloud environments effectively. So the next is hands-on practice with the cloud labs. So many cloud engineering interviews include a hands-on component where you will need to perform tasks in a live environment. Practicing with the cloud labs can give you the confidence to tackle these tasks under pressure. So cloud labs are allow you to simulate real-world scenarios like setting up infrastructure, configuring security, and troubleshooting issues. So, and also preparing for behavioral questions. Alongside technical skills, employers look for candidates who can communicate well, work in teams, and think on their feet. Behavioral questions help interviewers gauge your problem solving approach and team working skills. They may ask things like, tell me about a time you overcame a challenge, or how do you prioritize tasks when working on multiple projects. And mock interviews are one of the best ways to prepare for real interviews. They help you get comfortable with the interview process, practice your answer, and receive feedback. You can do mock interviews with friends or use online platforms. Preparing thoroughly for interviews will increase your chances for landing a cloud engineering role. Remember, interviews are a two-way street. They are also a chance for you to see if the company aligns with your career goals and values.